Introducing Joint Care Pro, a revolutionary natural supplement clinically proven to strengthen joints, reduce pain and stiffness, and repair cartilage and joint tissue. If you are tired of feeling limited by weak and stiff joints, if you want to improve your mobility and flexibility and enjoy the freedom of strong, flexible joints, then Joint Care Pro is the supplement you need. Joint Care Pro is clinically proven to support joint health and reduce joint pain, all of which have been demonstrated in peer-reviewed double-blind studies to improve joint health and function. These include powerful natural ingredients like hyaluronic acid, white willow bark, and tart cherry extract. Try Joint Care Pro today and start enjoying the benefits of improved joint health. Enjoy a life free of joint pain and stiffness. No longer struggle with stairs or have to avoid your favorite activities. Joint pain and stiffness can be a major limitation, preventing you from enjoying the activities you love and leading to a decrease in your overall quality of life. Pharmaceutical options such as painkillers and steroids might provide some temporary relief, but they come with unwanted negative side effects such as stomach irritation, ulcers, muscle weakness, sexual dysfunction, addiction, and worse. There are safer, faster-acting, and more permanent solutions than drugs or surgery when it comes to supporting joint health and reducing joint pain. Joint Care Pro supports and restores joint health while reducing joint pain and stiffness with zero unwanted side effects. With regular use, it can help improve mobility and flexibility, allowing you to move freely and comfortably without the limitations of joint pain. Plus, it's made from 100% natural ingredients, grown, sourced, and encapsulated in the USA and recommended by doctors, so you can be sure of its safety, quality, and purity. Joint Care Pro contains powerful natural ingredients like hyaluronic acid, white willow bark, and tart cherry extract. These ingredients have been carefully selected for their proven effectiveness in supporting joint health. Hyaluronic acid is a natural substance that is found in the body, and it plays an important role in lubricating the joints and supporting healthy cartilage. In a 2012 study published in the Scientific World Journal, researchers found that supplementing with hyaluronic acid was effective for reducing joint pain and improving joint function. That study and dozens of others is why we included 200 milligrams of high-quality hyaluronic acid in every daily dose of Joint Care Pro. White willow bark is a natural anti-inflammatory that has been used for centuries to relieve pain and stiffness. In a 2022 study published in the Journal of Experimental and Molecular Medicine, researchers found that white willow bark was effective in reducing inflammation and pain caused by a multitude of joint diseases. Follow-on studies have recommended a clinical dose of 240 milligrams, standardized to 50% salicin, which is exactly what we include in Joint Care Pro. Tart Cherry Extract is a rich source of antioxidants, which has been proven to help reduce inflammation and support overall joint health. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Food found that Tart Cherry Extract was effective in reducing inflammation and improving joint function in people with osteoarthritis, which is why we include 100 milligrams of highly concentrated, pure tart cherry extract in each dose of Joint Care Pro. These are just 3 of the 10 ingredients in Joint Care Pro, and the formulation is reviewed yearly to ensure it keeps up to date with the latest science, ensuring that Joint Care Pro is always the fastest working and most effective joint care supplement in the world. The 10 natural ingredients in Joint Care Pro work together to support joint health and reduce joint pain, so you can enjoy a more active and pain-free life. And the formulation is backed by hundreds of clinical studies and customer testimonials that support its effectiveness. With Joint Care Pro, you no longer need to rely on temporary treatments like painkillers. You can restore your joint health using a 100% natural, safe, and fast-acting solution. And because it's 100% natural, you do not require a prescription or a doctor's note to get it. So order today and try it for yourself to see the benefits of pain-free, stronger, and healthier joints. Don't delay. Try Joint Care Pro and start enjoying the benefits of improved joint health. Say goodbye to joint pain and stiffness and hello to a happier, healthier you.